Mathematic test factorization. Section A. Section A. First question. What is the factor of x square plus 5x plus 6? Here is some option. We have to find out the right one. Look, here is a constant 6. So if we make factorize this 6, 1 times 6, 2 times 3. Look, 2 times 3 is a 6, also 2 plus 3 is a 5. So we can write this one x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. We can take common x, so answer will be x plus 3, and from here we can take common 2, again x plus 3, and finally once we take common x plus 3, it will be again x plus 2. So which option here? What is the factor of x square plus 5x plus 6? So here is number B has x plus 2. So we can say the correct answer is number B, which is x plus 2. Okay. Number 2. Which is the correct factorization of x square minus 4? So this one we can write x plus 2 times x minus 2. So which one is a similar? X minus 2 and x plus 2. It means number C is our right answer. Number 3. Here is number of factors x square minus 9. Here is some option 1, 2, 3, 4. So this x square minus 9 we can write x square, and against 9 we can write 3 square. So it's looking a square minus b square. Therefore we can write x plus 3 and x minus 3. So here is 2 factors. So we can say the answer is 2. Which number? Number B. Number B is our correct answer, which is 2. And this one is a number C. So section A done. Section B. What is section B? Here is a common factor. We can write section B common factor. Here is a 2 question, number 4. Already we have completed number 1 to 3. Factor 6x plus 12. So what will be the answer? So from here is a 6 is a coefficient of x and 12 is a constant. So we can take common this 6. We will get x plus 2. So what is the similar thing? Number A, right? Number A is our right answer. Next, question 5. Factorize 10x square then plus 5x. So from here, which we can take common? 10 is a multiple of 5, so we can take common 5. And if we take common from here x, here is also x. So in this expression 5x is a common thing. So 10 divided 5, it's a 2, x square divided x, it's a x, and here is a 1. So which one is similar? 5x times 2x plus 1, this one also number A. Number A is our right answer. So 4 number A and 5 also number A. Section B done. Section C. Question 6. Here is factorize x square. We can write this one x square plus 7x plus 10. And we have to find out the correct one. Here is some option. So this 10 we can write 1 times 10, 2 times 5. 2 plus 5 also 7. So we can write this one x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 10. Now from here we can take common x. So x plus 5, and this part we can take common 2, again x plus 5. Now we can take common x plus 5, and here is x plus 2. So which one is similar thing? Here number A is a x plus 5 and x plus 2. So number A is our correct answer. Next, number 7. Factorize x square minus 5x plus 6. So what will be the correct one? This 6 can be write 1 times 5, 1 times 6, sorry, 1 times 6 and 2 times 3. So we can write x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. 3 and 2, once we make summation, we will get 5. We can take common x, so here is a x minus 3. We can take common 2, here is also x minus 3. And finally, we get x minus 3 times x minus 2. So which one is the similar option? Question 7, number A, x minus 2 and x minus 3. So our right answer is number A. Okay, so section C, trinomials, done. Section D, identities. We are studying number 8. Already finished 1 to 7. So here is a factorize x square minus 16. So this one we can write x square, and again 16 we can write 4 square. So it's looking a square minus b square. We know about this one, a plus b times a minus b, right? So this one also we can write x plus 4 and x minus 4. So where is the option? The option is number C. So C is our correct one. Number 9. Here is x square plus 6x plus 9. So this one, x square, 9 can be write 3 times 3, and 3 plus 3 also 6. It means 3x, again 3x plus 9. Then we can take common x, so here is x plus 3, and here is a 3 common, x plus 3. And finally, we get x plus 3 times x plus 3. So it's a similar thing. That's why we can write x plus 3 whole square. So which one? This one is a number A. A is our correct one. So section D, done. Number E, factor by grouping. It's very important. Question 10. Here is a x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. Look, here already mentioned we have to make this one grouping. So x square and 3x, we can take common x. Here will be x plus 3. And here is a 2x plus 6. We can take common 2. Again here x plus 3. Finally, we can take common x plus 3. And here will be x plus 2. So after grouping, we see number A is our right option. Which one is x plus 3 and x plus 2? This one is a question answer A. Question 11. 2x square, then 4x plus 3x plus 6. Okay. So here is 2 and 4, we can take common 2, x square and x, we can take common x. So here will be x plus 2. And from here, we can take common 3, again x plus 2. So we can take common here x plus 2, and here is a 2x plus 3. So here is the answer, and which is the option of question? Option A, right? This one also same thing, option A. So finally, section E, done. Section F, math challenge. Question 12. We have finished 1 to 11 all math. So here is a factorize x square minus x minus 6. So this one we can write x square minus 3x, then plus 2x minus 6, right? Because 3 times 2 is a 6 and 3 minus 2 is a x. So from here we can take common x. Here it will be x minus 3 plus 2 common, so x minus 3, and finally we can write x minus 3 and x plus 2. Which option is similar? X minus 3 and x plus 2. It means question answer will be option A. Question 13. 3x square plus 12x. So from here we can take common 3x, we will get x plus 4. So which one is the correct one? Which option? Number 13, 3x plus times x plus 4. It means number A. Next, 14. 14x square plus x minus 12. So this one we can write what? 3 times 4 is a 12 and 4 minus 3 is a x, means 1. So we can write x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 12, right? And then here we can take common x, so x plus 4, minus 3 common, again x plus 4, and finally x plus 4 once we take common, so here is x minus 3. So which option? Number 13. Let's check. It's a number 14. So 14 also here is x plus 4 and x minus 3. It means option A. And section, this one is a section F, last question, number 15. Number 15 here is 4x square and then minus 25. So this is very important. This one we can write like 2x square and minus, here is a 25, we can write 5 square. So it's looking a square minus b square. It will be x, 2x plus 5 and 2x minus 5. This is our answer. So which option is the correct? Here is a number C, 2x minus 5 and 2x plus 5. It means here is a number C is our right option. So finally section F done. Section G, it's a bonus option. Number 16, x cube plus 3x square. So from here we just can take common x square. So here will be x plus 3. So which one is the same thing? It's a number A. Here is a x square times x plus 3. So we can say this one is a number A. Again 17. Here is a x square minus 2x minus 8. So this one we can write what? Here is a x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. It means 4 times 2 is a 8. So from here we can take common x, so x minus 4 plus 2 common, so here is also x minus 4. And finally we get x minus 4 times x plus 2. So which option is similar? X minus 4 and x plus 2. This one also number A. Next, 17. 17 done. 18. Here is a 5x square and then 20x. So from here we can take common 5x. So here will be x minus 4. So which one? Here is a 5x and x minus 4. It's a number option A. 19. Question 19. Here is a x square minus 49. So this one x square and 49 means 7 square, right? So we can write this one x plus 7 times x minus 7. So which option is same? X plus 7 and x minus 7. It's also number A. It means option A. And today's last video and this mathematics test last part, it means question 20. Here is a x square plus 9x plus 20. So 20, look, 20 can be write 1 times 20, 2 times 10, then 4 times 5. Look, 4 plus 5 also 9. So we can write x square plus 5x plus 4x plus 20. So from here we can take common x. So here will be x plus 5. And here is a 4, again x plus 5. So finally we get x plus 5 times x plus 4. So which option is same? X plus 4 and x plus 5 is option A. So here is a option A. So finally, we have completed section G. It means 1 to 20 we have finished. And if you fairly write, the time is 30 minutes, but you can solve this one maximum 20 minutes. Okay. So all the part you can see the channel and also Facebook page, and I will be publish this one part by part, not all together. Okay. So next video will come very soon. Till then, take care, keep practice, and please follow my page and subscribe my channel. Thank you.